Bwana asifiwe fiwe Benjamin.
Amen.
Oro waku.
Wako ni mwana.
Masandi uri oku.
Yende yokulega mwana ni amenyereye.
Kulega tundu no kulega.
Tundu ni kulega muno.
No muithite.
No tuhithite ko.
Corona ndi kumwa.
Acha ndingithira.
Na ithio kuria mwiyokori. Turi oku wega. Kristo Ngai ni atumenyereire.
Amen.
Riu muthenya wo muthi ni turari vasire the system ira turari nayo na ni tondu wa kirai ya members tondu may express it their concern that they would like to be having the midweek sermon instead of the service because of the reasons that can be understood.
Sure.
Ndiacokiria Ngai ngatho tondu things are continuing and unfolding themselves na maundu no marathi makiagagira. Yesterday we had though we don't have official communication, but those people who are over 58 up to 65 they will be allowed to be coming to church. Ndirakenire ndaririkana andu aya ri this bracket these are the people who owns the church.
Sure.
And when you consider the church of Makandala, they are the people who built the church of Makandala.
It is true.
Ogwo ndiracokiria Ngai ngatho. Na undu wa keriri time has been increased
By the way.
From 1 hour to 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
Undu uyu ni mwega tondu riu ayuthiri ni mekugoca Ngai nginya manyoto.
Niguo.
Ikigoco nikio tunyoteire muno na ituretikia maundu ni marathio wega. Otherwise before we go to the sermon of today, no wega kwira members aitu they continue of observing the protocols that have been put in by the Minister of Education just for the sake of our life. It is not a punishment, it is for our own good. Watu endelea kuoga mikono, kujisanitize, to keep distance, avoiding overcrowded places. But I normally tell members that the church is the most safe place. Tondu wakorwo kuri kundu tuyite mikakati miega ni kanitha-ini guko tutihutanagia mai ni maingi sanitizers ni nyingi koguo andu metikire guka kanitha na we are expecting now the youth will start coming to the church tondu tumagite muno finally no wega kumera mathimbere gu support kanitha witu kanitha wao tondu kanitha no wao. And we thank God that they have continued doing this all through not being coerced but out of free will. Tondu agikorwo theory ndiyo kungikorwo kuhanatia. So we have no complaint, we are only telling them that they just under waongeze kidogo tu sababu mambo ni magumu sana, but we are not crying because we are following a God who is never defeated.
Sure.
One thing I want to say is that it is God who provides our daily bread. This time when people are hustling and struggling, it's important for them to remember that it is God who provides their daily bread. So when our resources are low, and people tend to doubt, to doubt our God, it's good to remember God can open his floodgates of heaven and bless us enormously. Koguo Ngai witu eho na negutuika maundu mega. Riu githomo kia muthenya wa muthi tukiona kuma ibuku ria Luka 8 from verse 22 to 25 na Benjamin negututhomera wathoma ri tucoke tuine karwimbo karia kainaga ni ngwioka o thakame na uthingua mwatha utiri kindu kingi tukwiyoka no thakame na uthingua mwatha au ni ega they no coke utuhoithie.
Thank you so much. Ni tuguthoma maandiko toguo mutungatiri atwira kuma ibuku ria Luka 8 kuma muhari wa 22 na guthoma na lugha ya Githungu. So Luke chapter number 8 verse number 22 to verse number 25. One day Jesus said to his disciples, "Let's go over to the other side of the lake." So they got into the boat and set out. As they sailed, He fell asleep. A squall came down on the lake, so that the boat was being swamped, and they were in great danger. The disciples went and woke him up, saying, Master, Master, we are going to drown. He got up and rebuked the wind and the raging waters. The storm subsided, and all was calm. Verse number 25. Where is your faith? He asked his disciples. In fear and amazement, they asked one another, Who is this? He commands even the winds and the waters, and they obey him. Ngwihoka o thakame na uthingu wa Mwathani, ndingĩhoka rĩtwa rĩngĩ no rĩa mũhonokia witũ. Nĩndĩhaandĩte ihiga-inĩ kũndũ kũngĩ kwĩ ũgwati, kũndũ kũngĩ kwĩ ũgwati. Kei tũhoe. Nĩ tũkwenda gũgũtĩĩa mũno na gũgũcokeria ngatho Mwathani nĩ tondũ wa ũtugi wa magegania ũrĩa tũtũtugaga naguo. Nĩ wega nĩ tondũ wa ũmenyereri ũrĩa ũtũhete gatagatĩ-inĩ ka mathĩna maingĩ na mogwati maingĩ. Ngai ithe witũ no ũtũtwaranĩirie, na nĩkĩo nĩ tũgũkena mũno mũno makĩria twamenya atĩ tũtuĩte matigari na nĩgetha Ngai ithe witũ tũkũgoce. Mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ nĩ tũkĩte na nĩgetha tũigue ũrĩa ũkwenda gũtwĩra. Nĩ twakũhoya wĩtĩkĩre gũtwarĩria na mũgambo ũrĩa tũkũigua na tũmenye na tũtaũkwo, na nĩgetha Ngai ithe witũ tũkũrũmĩrĩre, twĩke na tũikare kũringana na ũrĩa ũkwenda nĩ ũndũ wa ũgoci wa rĩĩtwa rĩaku, na ningĩ ithe witũ nĩgetha tũteithĩke twĩiga harĩwe. Ĩtĩkĩra gũtwarĩria nĩ twagũthaitha mũtungatĩri agĩtwarĩria Jehova, nĩ twakũhoya wĩtĩkĩra kũmũhũthĩra na nĩgetha atuĩke kiugo kĩrĩa gũtũhe ya gũtwĩkĩra hinya. Thengiũ Baba ogoci na ũtugi Mwathani thĩinĩ wa Kristo Jesũ Mwathani witũ.
Amen. Amen. Thank you. Neno ambalo tumesomewa kutoka kitabu cha Luka mtakatifu chapter 8 verse 22 to 25. I want to draw a theme which says, with Jesus in the ship. With Jesus in the ship, no storm is a threat. Yesu akiwa katika mashua yetu, Yesu akiwa katika meli yetu, there is no storm that will be a threat. I'm not saying that there will be no storms. Storms will be there, but they will not be a threat to us. Brothers and sisters, wherever you are, I want to say that we are living a life full of ups and downs. We are living a life which is full of ups and downs and valleys, muturire utari mwega. And this life is full of storms, basically challenges. Especially from 2019 to today. The life that we are living in from 2019 to today, it is a life full of challenges. And these challenges have continued weakening the faith of many. For example, from 2019 we have seen our country undergo serious famine in some parts of the country. Invasion of locusts. Now Corona came. We are with the Corona. When Corona came, our country underwent partial lockdown. And currently, the storm that we are in is the storm of division of revenue to the counties. Benjamin,
Yes.
a big storm.
That's a big storm.
A big storm that is consuming a lot of time of our leaders, and we don't know the outcome. When you look at Kenya and our church, so we see we are confronted by one storm today, another one tomorrow, and we don't know the next one. Papa Shirandula alienda. Hey, jambe wale ni athire ma Benjamin. Ni magalire. Oh, what to? And that's a one story.
And it has no appeal.
Our Secretary General Peter Kania ndungata turedete muno na ndiwe kana ni akoima mecirene maitu ati ni arathire ndariho. My dear friends, you know Makandala, as we talk, we have lost one of us. Mrs. Kamunya is not there. She is not there. These are big storms that have struck us. So we don't know what is on the way coming. The next one we don't know. So we are in one way or the other confused. So I want to say that some storms comes unexpected. For example, the storm of death, we don't predict it. We don't say that it will come tomorrow or next week. It just strikes unexpected. And the storms follow each other repeatedly. So what I want to say, brothers and sisters, is that whether you know the storm is coming or will come, whether you know the storm is coming or will come, whether you are minister like Imwala or evangelist like Benjamin, whether you are educated or you are not educated, whether you are old like Imwala or young like Imboro, whether you are born again or not, whether you are wealthy or poor, I want to say that the storms in our life are a must. Kogu no kinya to ikare to hariretie tondo iho kanio metorera ine ito no kinya. It's a must. So my dear friends, what I want to say is that it doesn't matter how many storms that you face. Etikuma kanyane yokanyo shiganatia oshe manetie nachio kana washe mania nachio. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how many storms you have encountered in your life. No maundu maria mara matana mavatare ni matatu. Benjamin.
Yes.
Ni maundu maigana?
Maundu matatu.
Ni maundu matatu. Undu wa mbere ni akiri. What matters is how you overcome the storm when it comes.
That's right.
Undu shindu we na vata. How you overcome the storm when it comes. Undu wa kere ni akiri. When these storms come to you, what you learn from them. Ni githomo kiri kuthomaga kumana na storm ila wetokererete. Undu wa gatatu ri. How do you help others to learn from their storms the way you have learned from your storm? Brothers and sisters, it is important to anchor our faith in Jesus Christ. Because it is only when we anchor our faith in Jesus Christ that we will be able to overcome the storms. Because as I've said, storms will be there. Now, the text that has been read by Benjamin to us from Luke chapter 8 verse 22. It talks about Jesus Christ. Kiugo kiraria oro wa Jesu. Kigashoka ikaria oro wa rutu ake, his disciples. Kigashoka ikaria oro wa iria. Kigashoka ikaria oro wa itano. So the word says that Jesus told his disciples, let us cross over. Brothers and sisters, it doesn't mean that there was only one boat at the sea. There were many boats. But Jesus chose to enter in one of the boats. And the disciples had the liberty of entering into other boats. But they entered into the boat that Jesus entered. Bwana Yesu asifiwe Benjamin. Naona kwa ina mataruma ingia huko. Tondo ne iria ini. Totaro twale to ingie. no Jesu athurire go ingira gataro kamwe na arutwo ake ni mangeingirire tutaro-ini tungi no maingirire o gataro karia Jesu aingirire mwathani agocwo no Jesu aramera ati let us cross over. The message is and wako thini wa mwathani time has come for us as Christians to accept to cross over from mwena wa ngoma tondu ni tuturite mwena uria ungi wa ngoma tugathenio ni ngoma miaka mingi maida maingi. No, time has come, Jesus is telling us cross over and come to me so that I may give you rest. Tondu mwena uria ungi gutire na rest. No riuri thina uria akristiano makoragwo naguo ni atiriri ni mendaga kurathimwo muno ni mendaga guteithio muno no makarega atiriri kuigua mugambo wa uria mumateithia. So the voice is from our helper who is Jesus Christ that we cross over, and we are not crossing over alone, we are crossing over with him. And wako thini wa mwathani ni idara ya cross over. Ni wakati wa kuhama kwa sababu ukitohama utakufa. Ni ugodhira. Let us accept and cross over, and we don't cross over alone, we cross over with Jesus. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Amen. Now, when you look at these disciples of Jesus Christ, you know these people were experts. Because Peter is there. Peter was an expert because he was a fisherman. Kugu Peter ni oe, kungioka kiondore, ore angiekire. They are experts. They are experienced fishermen. They knew how they would handle a boat. Ni mamenya ore mangiekire. They knew how they would negotiate when a time comes. They knew because they were experts and they were experienced people. But when the storm came, though they were experts and experienced, when the storm came, wanare mari experienced, wanare mari expert, my name or they sang one common song. We are perishing. They sang one common song that we are perishing. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. You know, even us in Kenya, we are singing a common song. Economy nejoru. Economy nejo. Never kumono. Even to those who are putting up skyscrapers, tall buildings and buying choppers, they are singing the same song. That the economy is bad. Brothers and sisters in the Lord, this is what I want to tell you. Because we have seen storms will come in our lives. So long as we are in this world, storms will come. So what I want to say is that unless we anchor our faith in Jesus Christ, we will continue living, we will continue walking in the fear of death of corona. Oh, God. Unless we anchor our faith in Jesus Christ, we will continue walking, we will continue in fear of death, of corona. Others will continue confessing defeat. Others will continue despairing. But those who will anchor their faith in Jesus Christ, mekorogama, tamote mohande loheine na matingeinaina. So enoka thino mwathani, muthenya wa mothe turotoketa kumwira atiriri, it is important to anchor our faith in Jesus Christ. Because with Jesus, even if the storm comes, it will not be a threat to us. Because the storm, the querer of the storm, mohoreria wa makombere, hamwe na ithiere, ona ciokari, no tugwikatia, no tugutoria ndoka thino mwathani. So, when you look at these disciples, in the boat that the disciples were in, Jesus was there. Au nega. Italurea alikuwa Yesu marere, Yesu alikuwa. knew their master Jesus Christ was within their midst. So when the storm struck, because Jesus was in the boat, when the storm struck, they all turned to Jesus. They turned to Jesus. And what is encouraging us this morning is that Jesus responded. Right. Jesus responded by calming the storm. Jesus responded by calming the storm. Kyuriani atiriri, weta mukristiano re, wa makadara, Benjamin, weta evangelist re, nieta imwarare, toigete wetekio uitoko. Where is our faith? Because if we anchor our faith on people, if we anchor our faith on wonderful things, we will be frustrated. But if we anchor our faith in Jesus Christ, we will not be frustrated. Jesus cannot and will never abandon us in the storms. Jesus daga tutiganeria dinwa makumbi. So brothers and sisters, very simple lesson that we learn from this story is that the presence of Jesus Christ. Kune kugata na gikuyu.
Gokoroho kwa Jesu.
Gokoroho kwa Jesu. The presence of Jesus in the is the most important thing to note before we born any shape in our life. Tamere na gikuyu hapo.
Gokoroho kwa Jesu niko kwina fata muno thini wa miturire itu.
The presence of Jesus is the most important thing to note before we enter or we born any shape of our life. Tachokera ugo Benjamin.
Gokoroho kwa Jesu thini wa miturire itu. Tukigira thini wa gataru ogothe kamuturire undu ucio niguo wina bata muno wa miturire itu koguo tukoragwo na Jesu mainda mothe koguo turenda kumerana atiriri always let us involve Jesus in our issues at the beginning. That is true.
Always let us always involve Jesus in our issues from the beginning. So brothers and sisters in the Lord, don't wait until the storm has come so that you may involve Jesus. Involve Jesus from the
beginning.
In your journey, in your relationship. Hey, Bolo. Hey, Awana youth. In your relationships. Involve Jesus.
Yes.
In businesses. Let us involve Jesus.
Yes.
Oh, guy. In investment. You know, Benjamin, we are investing. And you know we are investors, eh?
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah.
Nida Canada igwa kurega chekura de kaka dividends. Tondo how they in our investments, in our marriages, we involve Jesus. Because brothers and sisters, when we involve Jesus, when the storms come, guy, we will not lose hope.
Sure.
When we involve Jesus, because storms are a must, when they come, we will not lose hope.
Amen.
Nitoduri, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. You know they were in the storm of fire. They were in the storm of fire. But because they involved God, they were singing, they were praising God in the storm of fire. Daniel, because he involved God, when he was thrown into the den of lions, instead of losing hope and crying and complaining, he was praising God.
Amen.
Paul and Silas, when they were thrown into the jail, instead of complaining and losing hope, you know, they were praising God because they had involved God in their affairs. So, brothers and sisters, in summary, this is what we want to tell you this morning. That don't quit. Hey! Don't quit. Wana makomi moka, don't quit. Tondo re magodira, tondo Jesu ega tondo ikataloine gaito. Don't quit. Brothers and sisters, don't grow weary. Kuni kugata Benjamin.
Mutikae kunoga.
Mutikae kunoga. Don't grow weary. And finally, don't withdraw. Kwa mambo ni matatu, don't quit. Don't grow weary and don't withdraw.
Yes.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe.
Amen.
Persist in calling Jesus. Vina mbele ya kuhitaji Yesu. Persist in calling Jesus. While you are in your storms. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Because chokera lageko because Nitondo re. Persist in calling Jesus while you are in your storm, because the silence of Jesus is not his absence. Bwana asifiwe. The silence of Jesus is not his absence. In a new time, Jesus is going to respond and calm the storms.
Amen.
Those storms will be there, brothers and sisters, but with Jesus, we will overcome.
Sure.
COVID-19 will be a thing of the past.
It is true.
Because we have, God knew. God knows where it came from. God knows where it came from. God knows the reason why he allowed it to be there. And the same God will deal with it. Therefore, let us involve Jesus in our day-to-day life, whether we are in storms, and he is going to calm the storms of our lives. Mwenyezi Mungu, katika jina la Yesu Kristo, tunakushukuru, tunakuinua na kusema asante kwa kutelete katika ikao hiki ndio tunene na watu wako. Sasa wewe mwenyewe umewanenea kupitia sisi na wamesikia ujumbe wako. Na ujumbe ni ya kwamba with Jesus in the shape or in the boat, the storms will not overcome us. Tuigue Ngai tinda ni amwe ithuye no thiembere kurathimano members ya ito no thiembere kumekera hinya na ni thini wa Yesu Kristo mwathani twahoya.
Amen.
Amen. Amen.
Amen.
God bless.
Amen.
Yes. Have a blessed day.
Blessed day too.
Yes.
We thank God for the wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.